Okay, guys, I am really happy that we are starting this year in a good way. And of course, guys, if you have been following up with my videos, you will notice that there are two major assets which we analyze together. We drop the signal for us, and of course, these two assets actually did very well, and we will be checking them out one after the other right here in this video. Okay, so if you would like to know how we are able to achieve a good result like this, then you should sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will understand how we did it and how you too can do it by learning the process and of course putting it into practice before you go fully into it on your real account. Okay, because the main essence of this is for you to be able to do it on your own. Okay, and if you, while you're trying to learn how to do it on your own, you would also benefit from my channel and also from the Telegram channel where I drop free signals for you guys to catch up with. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all with Qora, to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you send message to me personally on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So if you should remember, about 2 or 3 days ago, okay, 3 days ago, okay, we analyze this particular asset, FX volume 80. We analyzed it on YouTube and we also posted it within the Telegram channel. Okay, so these happen to be our entry point, and of course, we got our this what's it called, the stop loss around here. Okay, this is FX volume 80 on 15-minute time frame. This was on downtrend before, and if you should notice, it had been, it played around there for a while. Then, of course, it went on downtrend after breaking out from this channel, and it got to this support region. So, it got here at first, went up, and came down. And this time around, I decided to draw a trend line just for me to be sure it's going to really buy this time around. So it broke out above it, and when it broke out above it, we dropped an entry point signal at this point. Okay, because we already had an arrow here already, but we just want to be sure it's going to break out above this, because this um resistance trend line had been sending it back for a while. Okay, so we want to be sure it's going to break out above this. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. You can see the color switching at this point, and we got a buy signal at this point. And of course, we had to wait for it to break out above this trend line to see if it's truly going to buy or not. And when that happened, we jumped into the trade, gave a buy signal at this point, and of course, a stop loss at this point. Okay, we use a tight stop loss this time around because of the trend, how the market was behaving then. Okay, we still very close. We're still around the festive period. Okay, so we need to be very careful. So I'm using a tight stop loss at this point. Okay, so, and of course, um, this played out well, got to this region, came back and went back up again. And this time around, it pulled back, almost got to our entry point, but went back up. And of course, you can see it's achieved TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, even before this pullback, it has achieved TP1 to 3 already. Okay, so that's a good one. So before it gave us the pullback, and of course, thereabouts, it went back up again to achieve TP 4, 5, and 6 and 7. You can see. So that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. 70 Ps achieved right from here, just with this particular setup alone. Okay, so that's the amazing thing about the trend trading strategy. You can see it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and we only placed order based on this uptrend. Okay, and we achieved all this together on a single trend, on a single trend. So you can imagine. So if you had it planned out very well, you would made a lot of profits with this, because this is on 15-minute time frame, and this is really huge, guys. This is really huge. So you can do your calculation. A single trend, even with a single order, with the smallest lot size, will give you a lot, because this actually gave us about 2,226,413 points. Okay, so a single order with a single, with the smallest lot size, we even give you a lot. Okay, so that is an amazing thing for us to do. So that is why I always tell you to take your time to understand, to learn and understand this strategy. Practice it till you are able to perfect it. Then you can now try it out on your real account. If you don't know how to identify when the trend is switching from one trend to another, that is why you need this trading tool. This trading tool will help you to know when it is switching, and of course when you should go into the market and when you should exit the market. Okay, so once you practice with it very well, it will make your analysis very easy for you to do. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. So if you are willing to milk the market in this year 2026, these are some of the things you need to put into use. Okay, and this is the right time for you to start putting them into use. Okay, so let's check out GainX 1200. This particular signal was actually pushed out yesterday. And of course, just the way it was pushed out yesterday, we've been on this for long. Okay, we've been monitoring it. At first, we actually milked the uptrend till it got to this region. It's tried to go back on downtrend, but it didn't go too far before pulling up. Due to festive period and the likes, okay, a lot of things were going on. But yesterday, which happened to be 7th of January, okay, it got to this resistance zone and tried to go back on downtrend, give us a downtrend signal. And as at the time we actually checked it out, it has actually moved till, we got it somewhere here. So I would just want us to be sure that this is really going to go our own way. So I had to move the entry point downward a bit, so that we will know that once it gets there, then definitely it's going to start giving us good profits right from there. Okay, but for those that are having this trading tool, I believe they should have come in around here where we had our stop loss. This is where they should have come in. Okay, they should have come in somewhere here. Okay, and set the stop loss at the top right here. Okay, so but because the some of us are not having this trading tool, you have to wait for my trading signals before you jump into the trade. So this is where we are coming in. Okay, so we placed our order here and set our stop loss here. We don't want to put our stop loss at, a little bit above the resistance zone. The reason is this has gone far already. If we had come in at the right place, then this is where we should put our stop loss. Okay, so I try to put the stop loss here because of this resistance zone. Okay, so I think that's still cool. Okay, so that's really cool. So we put our entry points here, our stop loss here, and of course first TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved. Then later on we also added this and this. Okay, so more TPs have been achieved with this. Okay, and this is a lot of profit also for those of us that actually to take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, this alone is giving us 12,407 points. Okay, for those that actually milked it to this very end, we even be getting more. Okay, they will they should be getting 29,535 points. Okay, GainX 1200 is not as volatile as PayNX 1200, so that is why the points you are getting is not that much within this movement, but it is more than enough. It is good enough for you to make good profit right from here. So congratulations to those of you who are able to follow up with this teaching, who are able to follow up with the signals, and of course who actually took action in trading these signals. Okay, congratulations to you all. So in a nutshell, this is not just about showing you the results of the trading signal. It is about you learning the trading strategy, the same strategy which I am using to generate this signal. So what have I been doing? I've always been focusing on the trend trading strategy. Give me the trend, show me the trend, and I will trade till the end of the trend. That is what I have been doing. So what did I do? This got to the resistance zone, and of course, I tried to wait for it to see if it will break out above it. It didn't break out above the resistance zone, so it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we jumped into the trade after giving us a sell signal which supports the downtrend. And of course, this signal is coming from a resistance zone, which is the right place for you to sell. Okay, generally, or based on our basic knowledge of forex trading, the best place for you to start selling is from the resistance zone. That is, if the market is not breaking out above the resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. So we placed our sell order, we set our stop loss to reduce the risk we are taking, and of course we allowed it to play out. Okay, and it played out well in our own favor, and we made a lot of profit right from there. It is as simple as that. So you too can also take advantage of this right from here. All you just need to do is just for you to understand the art of trading the trend. Okay, so if you can practice and learn and practice it, then you will be cool with it. Okay, another thing which you can do in order for you to analyze better is for you to get a trading tool that can help you to know, to show, that will show you when the trend is switching from one trend to another, or where you should jump into the trade or not. Okay, and that is what this indicator is actually doing. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Okay, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel. You're going to find the link in the description box. It is 100% free, and you will also be getting free signals right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.